If you're seeing the message that says too many people are using this feature right now in CapCut, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes that can help you get back to editing again. This issue is usually caused by temporary server congestion, cached data, regional restrictions, or an outdated version of the app. The good news is that you can try a few simple steps before assuming the feature is completely broken. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast CapCut and editing fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is reset CapCut cache and user data. Over time, cached files can store old temporary errors and stop the app from connecting properly. Start by closing CapCut completely. Make sure it is not just minimized. Close it from your taskbar, and if needed, check that it is no longer running in the background. Next, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. In that box, type %local app data %\CapCut /user data and press enter. This will open CapCut's user data folder on your computer. Once that folder opens, look for the cache folder. Open it and delete all of its contents. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve it. After that, reopen CapCut and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Go into settings, then find the cache section and click clear. This gives the app a fresh start and often removes temporary issues that are blocking the feature from working properly. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is switching your server region with a VPN. Sometimes CapCut features get overloaded in certain regions, and changing your virtual location can help route your connection through a less congested server. You can download a reliable free VPN such as Proton VPN or Windscribe. Once it is installed, connect to a different region like the United States, Singapore, or Germany. After that, fully relaunch CapCut and try using the feature again. In many cases, this simple network change is enough to get around the bottleneck and restore access. Now, if that still does not work, check whether CapCut is forcing an update or verifying your version. This is especially important if you are using an older build of the app. Some users stay on older versions to keep certain free features, but CapCut servers may limit or throttle requests from outdated versions. Open CapCut and make sure you are running the latest stable release available for your device. If there is an update, install it, restart the app, and try again. Even if you prefer older versions, testing the newest version can help you confirm whether the issue is caused by version verification. If you are still stuck after that, a good next step is to sign out and sign back in to your CapCut account, then restart your computer. That can refresh your session and clear any temporary connection glitches. You can also test the same feature later in the day because server demand can change depending on how many people are online at once. Sometimes the issue is temporary and resolves on its own once traffic drops. So to recap, the main fixes are clearing CapCut cache and user data, changing your region with a VPN, and checking for updates or version restrictions. These are the most effective ways to deal with the too many people using this feature right now error in CapCut. If one method does not work, move on to the next, because the problem could be caused by either local files, network congestion, or the app version itself. I hope this video helped you solve the issue quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.